You okay with me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cut, blooper.
I won't remember where the spot is, the blooper.
Yes, you will. You'll see it.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a tool organizer. Hopefully, everything installs well, you guys. Sometimes you get a little frustrated when stuff don't go your way, but as soon as we open the box, we get our screws. What is it, screws? Yeah, we have screws here. They give you anchors, they give you they give you all your hardware right here. You even get a little Allen wrench and a little wrench. So we got a little box right here. I am not sure what this is yet, but we can open it real quick. Oh, that's what I forgot to say. That's another reason why I bought this. It comes with a power strip. All right, surge protector, power strip, you know, whatever you want to call it. So it comes with this. This is probably one of the most important, or probably one of the main reasons why I bought this organizer. It comes with a power strip. So I've seen plenty of tool organizers on Amazon that does what this do, but this comes with a power strip. So it might be another one that comes with a power strip, but this is the one I landed on, or landed on me. All right, so we have a grate, and I hope this is an easy install, you guys, just so that, you know, you won't get too discouraged on buying this thing. All right, taking everything out, and y'all know what I'm looking for, right? The instructions. Oh, and it's in color. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, and the brand is Nokhba or Nokhba, however they pronounce it. So that's the brand, just in case I pronounced it wrong. All right, now I don't know if I can install everything on this table, but we will try our best. I'm gonna put the cool thing away right back here for now. Let's get organized, you guys. So save bench space. Okay, they have the parts list. They call this the side plates, but back here it says installing. Is it installing to the wall? Oh, installing on the wall. Okay. Use this step when installing on wooden wall. So how do you put it together? All right, I think we got it. It's a little confusing again. These companies, man, y'all are getting confusing with this. All right. Install the charging station on two side plates. Align the holes, the charging station with the holes of the two side plates respective, and tighten. It's confusing, you guys. It's all confusing. I don't know what's going on in the world these days. All right, so we have our side plates. Let's just try to figure this out. We're gonna try our best, you guys. Remember when you was a kid and you used to pop these things a lot? Ah, the good old days. So you can actually see the screw holes right there. On here, the product says mesh plate, right? But on here, it don't say mesh plate. It says the charging station. So that's what you're going to get out of that. So you obviously have to put it in 1 and 2 that's up here. So you definitely have to be some type of mechanically inclined to do this, you guys, because lately the installs of products on this channel has been a little bit of a headache. But after you've done the install, you will love the product. All right, so we have 4 anchors, which I might need depending on where I'm gonna put it at on my wall. I don't think I'm gonna put it up yet because I'm ready to start painting my garage again. I want to use a different paint and blah, 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 blah. Sorry. We have our screws here. And another thing on here, they're not telling you what screws to use. All right, they're telling you about installing on the wall, installing on a wooden wall, but they're not telling you what screws to use. So this is almost useless. So let's go ahead and get this over with. Flat part is the top part. We are going to use screws that they gave us, and we're going to use a little bit smaller. They all look the same size. Maybe that's why they didn't say anything, but that's not good. They should let you know. So we're going to use 2 screws. Now this is going to be a little tricky, you guys. So you might have to put it on the side and install the screws. Small screw. You will need the little Allen key that they provided. All right, and that's it. We are going to do the other side. Now, if you wanted to, you could have did this sideways if you wanted to, but you know. To each is its own. Now we got these two on. Now that we got that together, we are going to install the other one. All right. So for me, it's better to do it. Oh, it's a little wonky. It's a little wonky. It's hard, but we are going to make this one work. We are going to make it work. All right. Whew. That was a little rough, you guys, but you know, it is what it is when you got to try to line these up perfectly, you know. Nothing's perfect. So we have all the accessories. All right, we have this where you can put your screws and stuff in, screwdrivers and all of that. So there you go. We got a flathead screwdriver. What we're gonna do is just push it out some and slide in. Oh, this is easy, you guys. This is easy. Actually, they should have gave us more of these. All right, what else do we have that's interesting? Now, it's your choice whether you want to put it there, you want to put it down here, or you want to put it on the other side. All your choice. So what we're going to do is push out those little hooks or whatever you call these things. Try to push it out some. Let's see if that do it. I think I did this one too much. Push that in. Let's see. All right, and there we go. We got this side. I put the other piece on the other side. So we are all done right there. Having fun, you guys. This is actually easy. I'm actually having fun. This is the bottom. Let's go ahead and install the best part of the product. So you can install this. You see how this part is covered right here? You see how it has a little L right there? That little L is towards the back, okay? So you cannot put this two directions. It has to be in one direction for it to fit down flush. See two screw holes there. Oh, I put it on the wrong screw hole. I made a oopsie. I gotta bring this back down. All right, so this back part of this grate, I have it on the wrong hole, and I can show y'all. That way y'all know. So I installed it on this hole. I was supposed to install it on this one. That's why these two holes are not matching up. So operator error. I'm gonna write myself up. All right, we're gonna take this off. Now we're gonna put it in the right hole. And unfortunately, everything is tight. So let me see if I can reduce some pressure on this side. There we go. All right, oops, let's see. That one was on me, you guys. All right, so we're gonna put that one in. Nice and easy. All right, now we're back to our scheduled programming. Oh, I still gotta loosen it because this gotta fit on the inside of those. So let me loosen it some. All right, so I tightened it too much, you guys. I tightened it too much, and this has to fit right in between of the grate. All right, you guys, everything was turning out okay. Everything was turning out well until we got to this part. You guys, products are starting to get me frustrated. I'm starting to just love the products that just, you take it out the box and press the power button. Oh, okay. All right. So I took this whole plate back off. I flipped it around. I unloosened it, tightened it back up, loosened it, tightened it back up, flipped it around, flipped it around. I did everything you could do with this thing. Now, I even have it to a point where I had to try to pre-make this stuff so that way this can fit all of this on this side. Oh, you guys, I am upset like you won't believe because I really want this to work. So is it gonna sit on top? All right, you guys, I can't get this on. I have to return it. The issue is, all right, so you see how this is? It's hitting the platform, all right? It's supposed to go further over so that way it goes into the gap. But in our situation, it's not going into the gap. All right, this is the issue. Look, you see, I'm all the way on. It's not fitting on there. All right, it don't go on the top because if it goes on the top, it's too high. So unless I put it on there with the original screw, but still, I can't fit it on. You see, this has to be shaved right there. You guys, it won't work. The only way this is going to work is if I just leave this power strip on the top of it and just leave it there. Other than that, it works with just the shelf, and it works as a regular shelf organizer. But again, we have an issue with this. Now, I don't know, I didn't look at the Amazon reviews to see if anybody else is having trouble with this part, but this is how it's supposed to fit on. You see this L shape right there? There's an L shape, and I don't know if y'all can see it too well, but let me see if y'all can see this. All right, so there's an L shape. The L shape goes right there, right on top. So it's supposed to be like that, all right? You see how the L fit right on there? And it's like that. Now, I haven't moved. And you see where we are at on this? You guys, I cannot put this on properly. All right, they needed to shave this part. This part is a little too much. So that's a manufacturer thing, you guys. So what do I have to do? I have to put it back in the box and take it to Kohl's, Staples, or wherever you take it. And should I get this again? Should I do an exchange, you guys? Should we give this one more try? Just one more try, should we? I'll think about it. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all subscribe to see if I'm going to get the same one or will I get a different one? I don't know yet. You see, I didn't have no problems with building one. With building one was fine. But when you try to buy something fancy, you see what happens. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. We might be able to save this product. It didn't really specify which one is top and which one is bottom. So we still might have hope. I hope. All right, so this one is from the bottom. Let's see what we got here. Same situation, you guys. Check the other side. Same situation. This one got a little closer, but I can't fit it. All right, you guys, it has to go back. It is what it is. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.